So welcome back, guys. Here we are looking forward to the object detection overview. So here we reviewed a few ways to approach the segmentation out objects in an image and detecting properties of those objects. Here are the few areas we looked at include both simple and adaptive thresholding, using the edge to help break down part closely fitting objects. We also briefly look at how to composite multiple thresholding different types together, and then we saw how to use the Gaussian blur to reduce the noise and dilation and erosion filters to reduce small speckles or gaps. These are just some of the image processing tools that help in segmenting out objects. It's important to keep in mind the context. So know what the application will be used for and develop segmentation that will fit the use case. So do you know about the lighting will always stay roughly same different images and ports? If so, it may be more effective to use non-adaptive thresholding. Perhaps you can improve your thresholding by gathering your own global average or mean. How about the object orientation and the scaling? So can you make the assumptions about the size of an object in an image, therefore allowing you to filter out anything that doesn't fit that size? Furthermore, is it real-time application where the consistency between the frames might be very important? As for filtering, is it a problem to overfilter or underfilter the result? For example, if detecting an object triggers an action such as the sending email, then perhaps you want to be more sensitive about not having the false positives. Though this course is only covered a few basic ways identifying the characterize the image objects, there are many other applications and advanced techniques to segment out the objects in an image in sequence. So here, if we see in this slide, we touched upon the prior means of object detection. This means having some prior knowledge about the context or inputs at time. For example, if you know that the subject of your image will always be against a black background, it allows you to make different assumptions and processing technique decisions that would help hold up to more general situations. We're looking to detect and segment out object and image. Be aware of all the tools at your disposal. So know how the parameters of the situation will vary and think about how you can break the process down into the more smaller and steps and then proceed on it. So thank you. I'll be back with next lecture.